Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle of ChelleMyBelleCrochet. In today's video, I will be showing you the half puff stitch from my Tiny Bubbles scarf crochet pattern. If you've already purchased my pattern, thank you. But if you are wanting the full pattern, it will be linked in the description below. So let's get to it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. First, you will need to make a chain long enough for whatever project you are making. Be sure to chain an even amount of stitches. In row 1, you will need to make a single crochet into each stitch all the way till the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. In row 2, you will make 2 single crochets. Then, for the half puff stitch, you will yarn over, insert your hook, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through all 5 strands. In the next stitch, you will make a single crochet. Let's repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through all 5 strands. The next stitch you'll make a single crochet. Repeat those alternating stitches until the end of the row. You will see your puff stitches when you turn your work over. In the next row, you will need to make single crochets into each stitch all the way till the end of the row. Then in the next row, you will make 1 single crochet, then make the half puff stitch. Keep alternating those stitches until the end of the row. Make as many rows as you need for your project. You can get the full pattern by visiting my Etsy shop. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting!